Snacking is something the majority of us do, and it's not a bad thing as long as we optimize our snacks for our health. I put together a few snack ideas that everyone can enjoy in their diet. Skip the pretzels, pastries, and fruit snacks and try one of these ideas. Take a tablespoon of chocolate peanut butter with a medium banana. Excellent for satisfying your chocolate fix. Not a fan of peanut butter? Go with a piece of low-fat string cheese or a half cup of low-fat cottage cheese with your fruit. Aiming for something crunchy, have a handful of mixed nuts. It has an excellent nutrient profile combining healthy fats, fiber, and a good amount of protein. Just watch the added salt. Last on the list is my personal favorite. Take a 1 ounce portion of Jack Link's beef jerky and a handful of Kashi Cinnamon Harvest cereal. Salty and sweet, chewy and crunchy. Perfect combination. The best thing about these snack ideas are they're all within 100 to 200 calories, can be mixed and matched to fit your likes and combine healthy fats, carbs, and protein. Hopefully these can steer you toward making smart snacking choices while not giving up flavor.